Alright, here's what's left. I've got this big one here, this big one here. I might try to salvage this one here, this one, and this one. These two right here. And maybe that one. That one's checked right here, so it's kind of cracked right through the pith. I don't know how usable that one would be. And I've got to use that one right there. Other than that, that's it. Got this one here. I think I'm gonna cut this one right through here. So then I get the crotch figure in this one. There's a crotch right there. And then there's a crotch here. But this one went from 1 to 4 here. And I've got this one at the house to cut. And this is the one cut off here, flipped it over. Now I'm about to do the same thing and then cut it in half and then cut quarter sawn out of it. And I'm trying to figure out how to cut this one. I think I'm gonna lay this side on the ground. Oh, hold on. I think I'm gonna slab this way, right through here. So I'll take out that notch. There might be some burl in there, I can't tell, but I've got to get all that dirt out of there because it's just gonna dull the chain really bad. So I've got the G888 here with the 5-foot bar, and I've got the G6 with a 3-foot bar, and then the Milwaukee sitting on there. Last cut of the day. This one here has got some more straight grain, so quarter sawn. Get your quarter sawn here, then more of your face there, and think the big saw is down. It broke down right here, and that's 404 chain, and then this is 3/8, so it's not really that big of a difference. It's like a 1/16, if that. So as you can see, right here was the 3/8. There was a bolt head that fell out of here, and it's got no more spark. It will turn over, but it has no spark, so I'm gonna check at the spark plug first, and then so I had to switch to chainsaw and put this G6 up there, finish the cut. So about to head out. Don't you put it in the gear now, Saddam. That's a good girl. I'm out here trying to cut up some trees, and Sedona, my golden doodle, won't shut up because there's a trash bag. Well, a plastic bag just stuck on a limb. So I told her to hush up. She came over here to the flatbed and just lay down. She's still looking at the plastic bag. She's upset. Daddy can't get on his little girl, even if it's a useless bark.